Hello friends, today I have purchased Apple iPhone 15 Plus of 256 GB variant from Apple store. I'm really feeling very nice and motivated. I have gifted this iPhone to myself. Now I am unboxing this. This is my iPhone 15 Plus. I'm really feeling very nice and proud to have this phone. This is my cable. Now I am removing the screen cover. This is my screen cover. I have also purchased this accessories. This is all about my iPhone 15 Plus. And it is very nice and proud. I purchased this iPhone by my salary in an executive engineer residency. It's a very wonderful day for me. I have also taken the accessories. You can see that it's a combined of I'm also unboxing this. This is the special screen. This is the special cover. This is the screen guard. This is special adapter. And this is its lens protection glass. This is all about my Apple iPhone 15 Plus. Now I am installing my photos, videos in it. And it's a very proudful moment for me to have this iPhone 15 Plus. This is my new phone. I'm really feeling nice and proud. And see you later. Bye.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. Baby, I was born to fight. Baby, I was born to fight.
Look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met.